There it is right there, upside down. Saturday, 1813, 40 seconds, the year 2022, the month, January, the day, number 1. There's the fucking thumbprint. Now, I put some copper in the bolts and wasn't able to get the adjuster down here to grab, but I'm not really worried on that one for now. But I was able to get the pulley one here. The pulley one. I was able to get that to grab and get it to go to 21 foot-pounds. It's supposed to go to 21.6. But at least we got it in there, and it looks like we have the timing marks all lined up. Now it's the grand finale. Put the key in the ignition and turn it and see if it fires up. Because once we get it fired up, that way we can keep it circulated till we can order the 11mm bolt, tap and die set, and a die, and a 9mm bolt, tap and a die. Retap this fucker. So anyway, so here we are. We'll see what happens. And there is no coolant in the radiator yet. And that's all we need to know. And that fucker fired up, and it sounded tight as fuck. Tight as fuck because that fucking pulley is now straight on there, whereas the other bolt was loose. So now we can put some coolant in this car. Put the generator belt back on, the alternator belt back on, tighten it up, and I suppose let it go to operating temperature to charge the battery up a bit for the hell of it. Plus just to manage the inspect the fluid level, put the fluid in, get the air bubbles out of it, and whack the jacko. But this is an accomplished moment for the brother. This is the worst encounter he's ever had with little Subaru horsey guy here. Got stripped up. Got stripped up and out of time. Poor little brother. He fired right the fuck up though, didn't he? Fucking purred like a motherfucker strongly. Like I said, that tensioner pulley is on there straight now, rather than it used to be crooked. So that probably gave it a little weakness in the timing belt. But now that timing belt's tight as fuck. But the bolt is not tight as fuck. It needs to be tight as fuck. It's shy of 4 pounds of torque, and it only has really one torqued bolt to 17 pounds on that adjuster down there. So